Hello, welcome to my channel for the love of decor and more. I'm Robin, and on this channel you will find lots of decorating ideas and also DIY inspiration. So don't forget to subscribe above. Today what we're going to do is go over a few ways to decorate for the upcoming season of fall. Yes, I know everyone loves this time of year. Well, most people do. It is a time of, family getting together and cooking and incorporating some really rich colors into your home, bringing in the pumpkins and all of the different things that has to do with fall. So what I am doing is I just pulled out a few things that are fall related and started to come up with ideas on how to do a tablescape for the season. So I started off very minimal, and as you'll see, I will build up the look of the table until I find it the way that I like it. So a lot of these items will be listed in the description box below, and if you have any questions, of course, let me know in the comments and I'll let you know where I purchased certain things from. So basically what I did was, again, pulled out everything that I had on hand and a few things that I picked up over the weekend from HomeGoods and different stores. And I just kind of put together just a simple look, and I'm going to build up from there. So I will let the video play and let you check out all of the different looks and styles that I came up with, and let me know which one you like best. This is the final look. Let me know in the comments what you think and what your favorite tablescape styling was. Don't forget to subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed. Bye.